Willkommen zum aktuellen GOLDINVEST-Exklusivinterview. Wir möchten Ihnen heute mit Aurora Solar Technologies, einem Unternehmen von außerhalb des Rohstoffsektors, vorstellen, das uns aber sehr aussichtsreich erscheint. Wir konnten CEO Gordon Deans für ein Interview gewinnen und lassen uns von ihm das Unternehmen vorstellen. Welcome, Gordon.
Thank you, Bjorn.
Gordon, with small cap companies, be it in high tech or other sectors, it's always especially important to know who exactly is at the helm. As this is our very first interview, please shortly give us a bit of background on yourself and the most important members of your team.
Well, I'd like to start with the members of the team. One of the key people in the company is Johnson Wong, who's our chief physicist. Johnson is well known in the industry and has an excellent track record in the field of solar cell physics and design, and we're really glad to have him with us. Another key person is Steve McDonald, who's worked with the company for quite some time, and he's responsible for dealing with the technical interactions with the customers and also new product introduction. Steve has an engineering degree and a background in automation. Wei Deng, who is a native of Beijing, is responsible for our sales in Asia, and he's done an excellent job in the past while getting us moved into the Chinese market, which is the largest market in the world for photovoltaic manufacturing. And for myself, my background is in electrical engineering. I've had time at Nortel, a number of other companies, usually in the introduction of new products, both from a technology and market background, as well as corporate turnarounds. Okay,
thank you. Good to know. So then let's talk about Aurora. What is the company about? What exactly is your business? It would be great if you could give us a short overview of your most important products and services.
Okay. Well, a quick statement of what it is that we do is that for solar cell manufacturers who do struggle to be profitable in this industry, our manufacturing quality control systems, which consist of instrumentation that goes in line in the manufacturing processes, and also analysis and control products, increase their yield and their profitability. And unlike our competitors, we provide a whole solution. So the instruments through to the analytical and control systems.
Okay, certainly makes sense. As you say, if the companies are struggling to be profitable. But tell us more about the industry then. What is the size of it now? What are the growth projections? What is demand for the products and services Aurora is offering?
Well, as you know, in Germany, solar is a very powerful technology in the field of renewable energy. In fact, the generating capacity of solar installations worldwide is now in excess of 1 terawatt, which is still a very small percentage of the total energy usage in the world. There's about 1 gigawatt per year being added, so that 100 gigawatts per year being added, and that is essentially what the manufacturing capacity is. The industry has been growing for decades now at about 25% a year, so it's a very high growth industry. And our addressable market within the industry is about $450 million a year of capital spending on instrumentation and control systems within a much larger capital expenditure for manufacturing plant expansions, which go on all the time.
Okay. So, and how is business for Aurora these days? What did you achieve this year so far?
Well, we're really pleased to say that we've now broken in and established ourselves in the China market. China is 70% of the manufacturing capacity in the world. So this is a very strategic and important market for us. Previously, we had gotten business with major companies outside of China, including some of the largest manufacturers in the world, and we have repeat business from them. Now we are in the mainstream in China, and we expect to see our sales continue to grow quite a bit over the next little while as a result of that.
So that sounds, well, you could say it's a breakthrough entering this very important market. What are your goals then for the rest of the year? What do you think you will be able to achieve?
Well, one of the biggest goals we have is to build and ship all the products that we've sold. So we're very busy doing that right now.
Okay.
And we're also introducing a new software product that's going to allow us to capture a larger portion of that total addressable market that I mentioned. This is in the field of control and analysis. We have an existing product that allows people to see how the process tools or the pieces of equipment are behaving. Now we're adding the ability to be able to actually look at the end results when the solar cells are finished and use that to be able to work backwards up the line and use data mining and artificial intelligence to understand exactly what's going on deep in the physics of the cells. This tells the manufacturing engineers and the designers exactly how well all of their performances are operating in relationship, or all of their processes are operating in relationship to each other. So this will provide them with incredible opportunities to improve their yield and get more out of their manufacturing lines.
Okay, so this will this allow you to well, let's say, to get to the next level in terms of growth and profitability?
Absolutely. This will be a software product, so it'll be a very high margin product. And we are able to address not just new production line builds with this product, but also all of the existing ones in the world as well. So that really dramatically improves our ability to capture the market.
Okay, very nice. So let's sum up. In your personal opinion, why should investors take a closer look at Aurora at this point in time? What is the value proposition?
Well, I have 5 reasons for that. One of them is that, as I've just said, we're addressing a large and rapidly growing market. So, this is not some market where it's growing at 5%, 7% a year. This is a very high growth market that we have targeted with the company's products. The other one is that we're rapidly building sales, as I mentioned, in the largest market in the world now. So, we're just at the beginning of that, and we anticipate that that's going to really significantly push the company forward. Thirdly, we have a dynamic and also proprietary patented product roadmap that enables us to address that market with novel products that provide real value for customers. And we have a globally recognized team, so the doors are open for us. And finally, strong leadership, and particularly would like to say that the members of the board that we have a track record of generating growth and providing great shareholder value.
Okay, that sounds like a good closing remark. Thank you very much for taking the time. We'll be sure to check in if there is any news and see how it all went. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bjorn.